SH here, creator of Meg's Music Room. It's time for Solving the Recorder Mystery, Mission 6. In Mission 6, we will be revealing the hidden staircase. Bum, bum, bum! Give me a thumbs up if you're watching my video. To complete Mission 6, you will have 3 assignments. First, recognize the hidden staircase by ear and by looking at the music staff. Second, you will discover the hidden staircase connection on the recorder. And third, you will perform the hidden staircase on the recorder. Before we get started, I have 2 reminders. Number 1, if you can't remember left and right, it's okay to write your L and your R right here. I already did that. You could also just put a sticker on your left hand and that'll help you too. Also remember, if you're squeaking, it's from one of 2 issues. 1, you might be blowing too hard, or 2, you might not be covering the holes all the way. And now, Mission 6, revealing the hidden staircase. For assignment number 1, I want you to first recognize the hidden staircase by ear. So I'm going to cover myself up with a picture so you can't see, and I want you to imagine someone sneaking down the stairs. Could you hear them sneaking down the stairs one step at a time? This time I want you to see if you can follow the notes as they sneak down the hidden staircase. If you could hear the hidden staircase and watch it on the music staff, you already completed assignment number 1. On assignment number 2, we are going to discover the hidden staircase connection. You've already discovered how it sounds going down the staircase, and then you saw how it looks on the music staff going down the staircase. It does the same thing for the recorder. Watch. Starts on thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So watch me while I play it. You'll be able to hear it, and I'll put the graphic up so you can even see what it looks like. So put your recorder on your chin, this is called chin position, and then get your left hand on the top and your right hand on the bottom. Now get the fingering for B up, because that's where we start. So go thumb 1, now add 2, 3, now look, the little pinky, he doesn't do anything, so skip him. 4 is on the other hand. Now check it before you go any further. Make sure you're not skipping a hole. Sometimes that happens. You gotta go right there. Okay? 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's do that again. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, do it one more time with me. Thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you can do that, you've completed assignment number 2. Before we do assignment number 3, I have a couple things I need to tell you. First, when you do thumb 1, 2, 3, 4, this is called practice F. It is not the best fingering for F because it's a little bit out of tune. Later on, I'll teach you the real fingering for F, but don't worry about that today. The other thing I need to tell you is as you go down the hidden staircase, it's like it gets darker and creepier and it gets easier to squeak. So you're going to have to blow softer and softer and warmer, and you kind of sneak up on those low notes. If you squeak, you just keep on going. Today is about training your fingers more than getting every single note perfect. Assignment number 3, performing the hidden staircase. I need you to remember 3 things. 1, left hand on top, right hand on the bottom. 2nd, fog up a window. And 3, remember to whisper the word 2. Let's play it together with you looking at my fingers, or you can look at the fingering chart. Ready? Freeze right here. Check and make sure that you did not use your pinky. Also make sure that you didn't skip a hole. Okay, let's start right on the F. Ready? So did you squeak a lot? It gets pretty squeaky down here, doesn't it? Don't worry, that's normal. Let's do that again. Start on left hand, thumb 1. Get your right hand ready. You may even want to check and make sure it's in the right spot by putting it down, and then you pick it up. Ready? Ready? If you just totally nailed your fingers on that, then let's keep going. The next step is for you to play it, starting with thumb 1 and go down, but this time I want you to look at the notes on the music staff instead of looking at me. So I'm going to hide my fingers, and then I'm going to do a nice slow steady beat, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, like that. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go.
How to play the recorder, or if you want to learn about music in general, subscribe below now.
To complete mission 6, you must successfully move your fingers down the hidden staircase. You can look at the music staff, but you cannot look at anyone else playing, and you cannot look at the fingering chart. Squeaks are fine. If you get your fingers going down the right way, you complete mission 6. So I'll put the music staff up for you, and you pause the video and practice it until you can do it all by yourself. Ready, and pause. Next time on solving the recorder mystery. We will be decoding E. Now this one's not going to be so hard for you because we just played E in this last lesson, the hidden staircase. So I will teach you the fingering for E. We will read E on the music staff, and then we're going to do a little G and E practice together. Hey teachers, if you want the ad-free, promo-free, downloadable version of this video, plus the graphics in PDF and in PowerPoint, then check out the link in the description below for my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Thank you for watching. Check out my recorder videos and my music minutes. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates. Click the links in the description below for my social media sites and for other great resources. So I hope you'll join me next time on Solving the Recorder Mystery.